The peace and order campaign of the Philippine National Police got a much-needed boost. Let's have the details from this report of Alvin Baltazar.
200 motorcycles handed over to the Philippine National Police for free by a popular motorcycle company. The said number of motorcycle units are all brand new and just got stacked for 3 years in the plant, amounting to as much as 9 million pesos. The PNP said the motorcycles would be utilized in their mobility operation, in particular to far-flung areas of their municipal and provincial police stations.
Priority yung mga munisipalidad na walang sasakyan, di ba?
Perhaps we can be an example to other corporate businesses, especially the giants, to also come and help the PNP Foundation. Kasi lahat yan ginagamit ng police work at nakatulong sa community.
Movement for the Restoration of Peace and Order President Teresita Angsi is optimistic that the donated motorcycles would be a big boost amid the PNP's campaign against criminality, especially this election period. Based on their analysis, criminals are more daring and bolder upon the onset of the election period where gun ban is in effect.
Makikita naman sa statistics na talagang tumataas yung mga crime during months approaching election. No? Maraming isa na nga dahilan yung total gun ban. Alam na mga criminals na walang mga baril ang mga tao at walang mga police security, at ang ating police ay maraming hinaharap, no? Dahil sa kakulangan ng police, marami silang hinaharap during election.
On the other hand, Angsi is not convinced that crooked candidates would engage in kidnapping in the purpose of generating campaign funds. Angsi pointed out that unscrupulous candidates won't get that much from such unlawful fundraising activity.
Mag-i-increase din yung mga kidnapping, pero hindi naman lahat yan dahil yung pondo gagamitin sa eleksyon. Dahil maliit lang ang makukuha nila and to risk their candidacy dahil sa kidnapping. Tumataas yan dahil ang mga kriminal, they capitalize.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.